Good evening everyone, and welcome to CINFIN Securities Day-End Equity Market Roundup for June 30, 2026. Let's begin with a quick overview of today's market performance. The All-Share Price Index, or ASPI, closed at 22,263.28 points, declining by 146.53 points, which represents a 0.65% decrease from the previous trading session. Similarly, the S&P/SL 20 index ended the day at 6,205.05 points, down 42.37 points, reflecting a 0.68% decline. Overall, the market closed in negative territory, with selling pressure in several large-cap counters weighing on both benchmark indices. Moving on to today's trading activity, the total market turnover stood at LKR 1.76 billion, indicating moderate investor participation during the session. Of this amount, crossing transactions contributed LKR 297.76 million, accounting for a notable share of the day's turnover and reflecting institutional and negotiated trades. Among individual counters, Colombo Dockyard plc and Sathosa Motors plc recorded the highest turnover values, making them the most actively traded stocks by value for the day. Meanwhile, the total market capitalization of the Colombo Stock Exchange stood at LKR 8,063.7 billion at the close of trading. Moving on to market participation and investor activity for the day. On the buy side, domestic investors dominated the market, recording LKR 1,641.69 million, which accounted for approximately 93% of total purchases. In contrast, foreign purchases stood at LKR 115.00 million, contributing around 7%, indicating relatively limited foreign buying interest during the session. On the sell side, domestic investors recorded sales of LKR 1,175.59 million, representing about 67% of total sales, while foreign investors contributed LKR 581.10 million, accounting for the remaining 33%. Looking at the top gainers of the day, TES Agro plc emerged as the best performing stock, recording the highest percentage gain during the session. It was followed by the Fortress Resorts plc and Sigiriya Village Hotels plc, both of which delivered strong returns and attracted investor interest. Meanwhile, Ceylon Hospitals plc and the Lanka Hospitals Corporation plc also featured among the day's top gainers. Turning to the top losers of the day, the steepest decline was recorded by Industrial Asphalts, Ceylon plc, making it the worst performing stock during the session. This was followed by Nations Trust Bank plc and Resus Energy plc, which also posted notable losses. Meanwhile, the Colombo Fort Land and Building plc and Windforce plc rounded out the list of top losers. Moving on to the top positive contributors to the All-Share Price Index for the day. The largest positive contribution came from the Lanka Hospitals Corporation plc, which provided strong support to the index. This was followed by Hatton National Bank plc and Sampath Bank plc, both of which recorded gains and contributed positively to overall market performance. In addition, Pan Asia Banking Corporation plc and Asiri Hospital Holdings plc also supported the upward movement of the ASPI. Finally, looking at the top negative contributors to the All-Share Price Index, the largest downward impact came from Dialog Axiata plc. This was followed by John Keells Holdings plc, which also weighed on the index during the session. Meanwhile, Windforce plc, Haley's plc, and DFCC Bank plc further contributed to the negative movement of the ASPI. That concludes today's market roundup. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more updates from CINFIN Securities.